from Midland, Odessa, and Big Spring. We're Basin trusted, Basin proud. This is Big 2 News at 6.
There's been a decrease in new COVID-19 cases locally. That's according to medical experts. Good evening, I'm Amanda Mason. Big 2's Marco Ramirez spoke with 2 doctors today to find out what this means for the basin. So Marco, are we starting to flatten the curve?
Well, Amanda, health records show there's been a slight decrease in positive cases these past couple of weeks, but local health experts are urging the public not to let their guard down.
Not that it's gone to zero by any means, okay, but I believe that there are fewer cases coming in.
While the Permian Basin is seeing a decreased number of new COVID cases, Dr. Timothy Benton of Texas Tech University Health Sciences says this doesn't mean the public could go back to normal soon.
It's not that the virus is gone. As long as there are people that test positive within the community, there is still risk for going back up on a peak.
According to Ector County COVID records, weekly confirmed cases have dropped from just over 500 in the second week of July to over 300 in the last week of July. While the exact cause of this downward trend is not entirely known, Dr. Benton hopes it's from the public practicing proper safety measures.
Both people wearing a mask is important. When the positive person wears a mask and I'm not positive in wearing my mask, then the chance of transmission is low.
Midland County has seen a slight decrease of infectious patients in hospitals. Midland Chief Medical Officer Dr. Lawrence Wilson says this could change if the public lets their guard down.
I think people have recognized the reality that if we are careful about this, we can keep the disease load down and decrease the amount of people getting really sick. And if we don't do those things, it will become a significant problem once again.
But as we see a lower trend of new COVID cases in our community, Dr. Wilson says everyone should continue to social distance and to always wear a mask in order to go back to normal.
The reason that we're doing better right now is because we've adapted behaviors that are allowing us to be better, and we need to maintain those for the foreseeable future.
And when we do go back to normal, Dr. Benton says he doesn't think we will always have to wear a face mask, but this pandemic has certainly taught us how to be more cautious when we interact with others. Reporting live in Odessa, I'm Marco Ramirez, Big 2 News.